Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by launching Windows Terminal and confirming your shell choice. PowerShell or WSL gives different tooling. Once done, set a sensible starting directory so projects open in place. Make sure to install Cascadia code or another developer font for ligatures and readability. Then adjust the color scheme and tab behavior so you can focus. These initial actions remove friction. They let you begin coding immediately rather than wrestle with defaults. You create the project folder and open it in a new terminal tab. For example, mkdir myapp then cd myapp. Once inside, install or verify your language runtime Node, Python, or .NET so commands run locally. Make sure to wire up useful tools like linters and formatters. Install via npm or pip and test them. After that, add a profile or a task in terminal settings to run build or test commands quickly, which speeds up iteration and prevents repetitive typing. You run your app and observe output directly in the terminal. Use Watch or Nodeman to auto-restart while coding. Once running, attach a debugger or run with verbose flags to see internal state. If something fails, make sure your path includes the runtime and check your shell profile for conflicting aliases. Also inspect terminal's error output and exit codes for clues. Finally, restart the shell or open a clean profile to confirm whether the issue is environmental or code-related.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.